guys, what's up? It's your girl Kerina here. Welcome back to my channel. I did a fashion hacks video a while back and you guys loved it so much that I thought I would gather up some new hacks to show you guys. As always, these hacks are super easy, it's super quick, takes under a minute and no sewing required, so anyone can do it. In this first hack, I'm showing you guys how to tie a cute little knot at the front with your t-shirt, and normally you would tie it in, I don't know, there's like so many different ways you can tie it, but I found the best way is to just take the two sides of your t-shirt, cross it over, and then twist it and use one of the twisty ends and just wrap it around the other twisty end, and that way you create this like perfect kind of like messy but not really messy kind of like try hard looking thing while it's actually really simple. I find that most other knots tend to just fall apart when you're like moving about in your t-shirt, but this knot actually stayed in place, and if you want to secure it further, just take a clear elastic like I'm doing here and just wrap it around. Okay guys, the second hack is one of my favorites for spring and summer, and it is turning your simple dress into a skirt. So say for example you really like the pattern of this dress but they don't come in a skirt format, then you would simply just unzip the dress. And what you want to do is you want to fold it inwards down and basically stop at the point where your waist begins. Pat it down, smooth it out on the inside, and in my case I had to zip the zipper halfway at the back here, but if there's no zippers on your dress, it's even better because you don't have to be like tampering around with zippers and stuff. And if you find that it's falling down and not staying in place on your waist, you can just throw on a belt like I'm doing here. Because there are no belt loops in this case, we're just going to be using our good old elastic band belt hoop trick. I actually covered this hack in detail on my other hacks video, so make sure you check it out if you haven't seen it yet. Ta-da! There you just turn your cute little dress into a summery skirt. Save material, save closet space, save money. The next hack is for those of you who want to spice up your boring old white t-shirt knot. First, you just need to tie your t-shirt into a knot. It doesn't have to look perfect. You can even just use an elastic band and just tie it as is. And I'm just using a simple hair scarf here and tie it around the first knot just once. Tuck the knot or fold it inwards, and then just use the remaining of the scarf to tie into a knot or a bow tie. You can experiment with different accessories, and you can even tie at the back if you want. That's another trend that I've been noticing going around, and that is tie back tops. And this way you can literally pair any t-shirt with any hair accessories and it's going to look cute and different each time. Okay, the next hack here, I'm just showing you guys how to wear a bra or a bralette under a tie front top. You can tie it normally like outside your bralette and have it show, but if you want to conceal your bra, here's the way to do it. So first you want to take the two sides of the shirt and tie it halfway into a knot, but not all the way. And with your inner loop, you're going to tuck it underneath your bralette, and then with your other hand, pull it out from underneath your bralette from the top, and then secure in a knot in the middle here. This way you can hide your bralette, and you can even tie it as tight as you want. I find it's especially useful for like bathing suits and cover-ups, and also, you know, those like skimpy bodycon dresses where it's cut out here and then you have to like tie a knot but somehow have to like conceal your bra at the same time. This is the way to do it. So in my first hacks video, I showed you guys what you can do if your denim jeans are a bit too large for you around the waist. I call that the button loop method, and if you want to see all of it, make sure to check out my first hack video. But a lot of you guys are saying that it doesn't look very presentable from the front. So here's another way you can tighten the waist of your denim jeans. All you would need is like a string of some kind, so you can take like a shoelace or even some ribbons or even like a bra strap from your bikini. So you take the string and you loop it around the back 3 belt hoops, and then you tie it into a bow tie. And then once you have a bow tie, all you would need to do is flip it inside and tuck it into your jeans. If you want it to be more undetectable, I suggest using a piece of string that's the same color or close to the same color as your denim bottom. Depending on how loose the waist was to begin with, it might look a little bit scrunched up near the back, but then you can just throw a belt over it and it's gonna hide all the scrunched upness. I know I've covered a lot of hacks for jeans that are too big around the waist, but what if your jeans are too tight around the waist for you? So in this case, all you need to do is to secure a hair elastic. Oh my god, I just realized the MVP of this video. Hair elastics, saving my ass. You just want to loop it around the button and then through the other side of the buttonhole and then backwards onto the button. The only downside to this is that you would need to wear something that goes over that to cover it up. So in my case, I'm just wearing a relaxed sweater that you can't really see underneath that. And you know, unless I'm like breaking out into like jumping jacks in the middle of randomly, you wouldn't be able to see this. This is also a really good hack during pregnancy. I know I used it during my own pregnancy on my denim. Save your money, you don't need to get maternity denims, just use this hack. So I don't know about you, but sometimes I've had really embarrassing situations where the zipper on my jeans just doesn't like to stay up. So sometimes I'll just be like walking around for hours with a gap in my jeans. So one way to prevent this is just to use an elastic band. It can just be a hair tie. I'm using a clear elastic this time, but you can use like whatever elastic you have lying around at home. Just loop the elastic band through the zipper hole, and then you can zip it up and then use the other end of the elastic to loop it around the button. This way I promise it's not gonna fall down again. This next hack, I'm so excited. It's for people like me who love to wear tights and leggings. And come on, let's be honest, even the most expensive pair of nylons can rip around the toe if you're not careful. Ta-da! These guys to the rescue. This is just a normal cotton black sock, and this is just a nylon black sock. You want to put on these first before you put on your tights. I'm being crazy and wearing one on each foot just to show you guys what it's gonna look like. If you're wearing like semi-sheer or like near opaque tights, you can't really tell that you're wearing something underneath. It's gonna be so much harder for your toe to manage to rip a hole in your tights if you're wearing these underneath. I don't know about you guys, but I've had also moments where I'm wearing a pair of tights and I'm wearing like a dress over or a skirt over, and then when I'm walking around I realize that my tights are like gradually slipping down. So one way to fix this if your tights won't stay up is just to use a pair of high-waisted underwear or high-waisted swimwear. You just basically wear it over your tights. Because it's high-waisted and hopefully tighter than your tights, it's going to keep it in place and prevent it from falling down. Another great option is to use something like shapewear. I'm just wearing the super duper high-waisted undergarments that looks like this. It actually like sucks all your tummy in, and then you get the added bonus of your tummy looking flatter if you're wearing like a bodycon dress, for example. In my first hacks video, I also covered how to turn your regular shirts or tops into a crop fitting top, and that is just to tuck it underneath your bra at the front here. What this does is it creates this like weird looking bulge on the side and the back here when it's not tucked in. So I'm calling this hack Bra Tuck V2. And what you basically need to do is just to take the two sides of your shirt and you just want to twist it until the height of the top is where you want it to be cropped at. And then you're going to take the two side loops, fold it in, and tuck it into the sides of your bra. This way you can tuck in the front, side, and back of your top at an even pace without constantly having to like twist and check to see if they're even. Okay guys, thanks for watching this new hacks video. I hope you guys liked it and learned a thing or two. Let me know if these are as mind-blowing to you as they are to me, because when I first found out about them, I was like, oh my god! Anyway, I love all of you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!